Hi, my name is Becky Smith, and I want to thank you for taking a few minutes today to listen to some concerns that many residents have over the planned Harborview Road project on James Island. It's a 3.2-mile project that's being funded through RoadWise money through the half-cent sales tax, which was designed for road improvements, but also for green space in Charleston County. The length of the project, you'll see here outlined on these diagrams. Several of the main concerns that residents have voiced are that over the length of the project, you will see many intersecting roads along the length of the project. There are also numerous driveways. We count approximately 60 intersections. And with the proposed 10-foot wide multi-use pathway that's indicated here in orange along the length of the road, we're concerned that pedestrians and cyclists, particularly the younger cyclists, will not be visible to drivers as they are pulling in and out of the roadways. So the group would like to propose that the bike lanes be put back into the roadway, and then for the younger cyclists and for families and pedestrians, we'd like to see the sidewalk activities all be on the south side of the road. This is also where the parks and access to the schools are currently located, as well as the major shopping center along Harborview Road. The next concern that the group has is over the proposed length of lane widening, of center lane widening. The project is, if you look at the diagrams, is showing a lane widening essentially from the causeway all the way down to Michael Drive. And the group would like to suggest that the lane widening that's proposed is far too extensive. We feel that certainly keeping a center lane in the commercial district area is a wise consideration, although we would like to look at the particulars because dedicated turn lanes are provided here in the proposed plan in lieu of the existing center lane, which seems to work quite well. We agree that a center lane for vehicles that are pulling in from Quail Drive and from Fort Sumter Drive are a wise consideration, but we feel very strongly that there are great lengths of the Harborview Road project which will not require a center lane. We would also like to discuss the possibility of slowing the speed limit down. That would allow the lane widths to be reduced and therefore also reduce the amount of widening required. We also feel strongly that crosswalks need to be provided as part of the plan. The current plan is not showing any sidewalks, and that would limit access to the shopping centers and the schools and the parks. Another concern is that we really feel strongly that a few stoplights along the length of the road would give us the gaps in traffic in order to allow the proper merging of oncoming traffic. We applaud the work that the county has done in terms of eliminating the left-hand turn at North Shore Drive, but we are concerned about the amount of width that's dedicated here at the North Shore intersection. We also feel that at the far end of the project, a roundabout would be a better solution for a very dangerous intersection at Fort Johnson Road. So, in summary, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to listen, and just know that over 1,300 residents of Charleston County have already signed our online petition, and we hope that more will join us. County Council has the chance at this point in time to agree to either move forward with a bad plan, or we'd like to strongly suggest that they take the time to revise the plan at this point in time. Thank you.